1. Your weakness can be your strength. Embrace your weaknesses as they strengthen your areas of focus. Being great on one field is better than being average on many things. 2. Obstacles are the way. Wealth and fame are the product of solving a problem. Solve a problem for a small group of people, and you are popular. Solve it for millions, you become wealthy. Eliminate a problem for billions of people, and you become a legend. A. Amazon made shopping from home easy, and Bezos solved a problem. B. Problems don't have to be grandiose, they merely have to be inconveniences people are willing to pay for. 3. How to find a problem. Solving problems is listening and asking questions. Don't shrug off annoying issues. Think about their impact on the masses and the opportunity behind it. Lose your default thinking. Stay alert. Complaints are inconveniences that could lead to solutions for the masses. More money is made today solving minor irritating nuisances than solving significant issues. A. You need insight and perseverance to find worthy problems. You can always hire solutions finders, engineers, coders, experts, etc. With great focus, you can find one problem or more per day by listening to friends, family, and colleagues. B. Money is not an issue if the problem solution can be scaled. There are many investors looking to fund projects that can scale fast. Airbnb, Uber, and Dropbox raised billions of dollars because they had a good size addressable market. 4. Few ways to find worthy money-making problems. Finding a problem is easy. Defining the performance objective you need to achieve is what will sell the solution. A. Sometimes, you can improve an existing solution, repackage, and redesign it to fit a market niche. B. Brainstorming with people with diverse backgrounds, cultures, and education can lead to unexpected creativity and outcomes. C. Think of alternative solutions. Simple ideas that most overlooks are often money-making opportunities in disguise. D. Test your product with real people, and consider their feedback to improve your product. Nothing beats real users. E. Entrepreneurship success is seated in simple observation and listening skills. Keep your antennas up, your next problem may be the one that will make you incredibly wealthy. Please pay attention to the little things that most of us ignore. That is how to become rich in record time. Thanks for watching.